Welcome, this is Lian Villianage. We are first year students of Faculty of Engineering, SLIIT, year 2021, June 19. We are from Group 22. This is our very first term project in this module, Introduction to Sustainable Engineering. We worked on this project to introduce a substitute for burnt clay bricks. Clay bricks. It is a timeless building material. Clay bricks are some of the most widely used material for construction activities. Clay bricks are used for a variety of domestic and commercial applications. Through this project, we researched the properties and number of information about burnt clay bricks using data of its making processes, ingredients, and uses of it. However, there are some inconveniences we face due to use of burnt clay bricks. One thing is its soundproof effect is poor, and also its main raw material is soil. From these ways, there are some disadvantages of using clay bricks. From the making processes and to the usage, using it can be caused for the changes of the composition of soil and also could adversely affect to the environment. Let's move on to know about the ingredients of clay bricks. There are several ingredients in the composition of burnt clay bricks as silica, alumina, iron oxide, magnesia, lime, water, and organic matter. Normally, bricks contain the following ingredients from these percentages. From those ingredients, lime, water, and organic matter are renewable ingredients, and the other ingredients, silica, alumina, iron oxide, and magnesia are non-renewable materials. To sum up, the percentage of non-renewable ingredients are higher than the percentage of renewable materials. That is also a good point to us to understand the need of a substitute for clay bricks. Then Kavit will talk about the properties of clay bricks. Kavit.
Thank you, Randy. Let's see what are the properties of burnt clay bricks. Clay bricks have many properties. Among them, clay bricks have very compressive strength due to different kind of raw material use. It has a longer durability, and a brick life can be counted as 100 years longevity. Further, water absorption of clay bricks are between 12% to 20%, and clay bricks are rendered while manufacturing, so it can resist fire and all weather conditions. Also, it has an average thermal resistance as well. Finally, clay bricks provide resistance to the passage of airborne sound. Let's move to see how clay bricks are made. In the first place, we need to mine the clay using equipments and manpower. Then we need to mold the clay using machineries or hands. Also, it needs water to do the molding. After the molding is done, bricks are need to dry for few days. But if we want to dry fast, we can dry bricks artificially using special dryers or hot gas. Finally, bricks are needed to be burned until it comes to the tight combustion with above properties. Now let's see what are the uses of burnt clay bricks. As we all know, most of us use burnt clay bricks to construct walls, buildings, dams, etc. In Sri Lanka, most of the houses are built with clay bricks because it keeps the houses cooler when it is built with the clay bricks. Further, we use clay bricks to make koa. Koa is a kind of broken bricks to use as an aggregate in concrete. Also for manufacturing of circuit. Circuit is a powdered brick to be used in lime and lime concrete. Chira?
You, Kali. We face various problems with the burnt clay bricks. In the first stage of extracting raw materials, destruction of natural habitats and landscapes or pollution of water, air, and noise are serious environmental issues. Also, the cost of labor will be also high. Other than that, restrictions imposed on soil mining and how much excavations affect are some social problems regarding this stage. When we come to the next stage or the manufacturing of clay bricks, air and noise pollution are major environmental problems. This noise pollution also affects a society. The labor cost and the cost for fuel are the economical issues we mainly talk about. During the stage of using clay bricks for production activities, several problems arise. Air and water, two major elements of survival, getting polluted during this process. The expenses will be high as there will be a lot of small sized bricks. Other problems in this case are the time taken for the process, its level of hardness, and the inability to be used in high seismic zones. Talking about the final stage, after using the clay bricks, accumulating of a large amount of solid waste is a huge environmental problem. Difficulty in retrieving the raw material is an economical disadvantage. Also, disposing used clay bricks and changes in composition of cultivating lands are other problems. Ismi?
Thank you, Chirag. Okay, now I'll go to our next slide. In this slide, we are talking about available alternatives. When we find a better solution for burnt clay bricks, there are several alternatives to best product. Making clay, burning process, dye clay bricks, drying process, removing dust, hand molding, and mining process are the process we have to put attention to take alternatives. Let's move on to an alternative to clay. Have the solution already have to the minimize the usage of non-renewable resources alternative for waste material. As the solution, we recommended fly ash and dust to reduce the amount of clay. Then let's move to burning and drying clay bricks. There is existing solution that like minimize using coal and firewood. There are non-renewable resources. It also largest contribute to global warming. So we think that to use solar power and wind power to burn bricks is greater than using coal. Next, an alternative to remove dust. To minimize dust that accumulate in the environment. Dust causes air pollution. It also causes diseases of the breathing system. So introducing vacuum cleaner or hoover to remove the dust in the area which produce bricks. The last, we select alternative for hand molding and mining. Most of the time, it takes human labor, and our goal is to minimize it. It will be great. Introduce a simple machine for this process. Now go to our next slide. In this slide, we propose alternative for burnt clay bricks. So we hope to modify the clay mix using fly ash and dust to reduce the amount of clay. We decided to use fly ash and dust for this. It has the same properties as brick and many more. So if the problem we hope to solve by using fly ash and dust in clay bricks, actually we want to increase the sustainability of clay bricks, also reduce the resources depletion and make this brick using renewable material. Further, we want to develop a better bricks with low cost and environment friendly for global sustainability. Thank you, Prandilu.
Thank you, Sumi. Now I explain benefits we can achieve using fly ash. When we are using fly ash bricks, we can achieve many good things. This fly ash bricks stronger and dense than normal red brick. Further, when we made bricks using ash as one of our ingredients, our bricks will have compressive strength like 70 to 100 square centimeters per kilogram, but normal bricks have the compressive strength of 30 to 35 square centimeters per kilogram, and fly ash and dust are lightweight, so we can reduce the weight. As an example, a normal brick will weigh 3.5 kilogram, but without alternatives, brick weight will be 2.5 to 2.7 kilograms, and it's going to cost very little to make. It also has good fire resistance and more environmentally friendly. Now I explain our discussion. As our project, we had to introduce a substitute for burnt clay bricks and comparing existing combination of clay bricks, some equalities between the original product and our introduced product. The appearance is same for both bricks. The shape and size will not be different for these products. Fly ash bricks can use in the industry, same as we use burnt clay bricks. Here are some equalities between the original product and our introduced product. The textures of the bricks with fly ash are very similar to that of clay bricks. Also, there is the same appearance for both clay bricks and fly ash bricks, which we introduced because the shape and size will not be different for these products. Furthermore, these fly ash bricks can use in building industry from the same way we use burnt clay bricks. And now I explain our conclusions. We can decrease solid waste by using ash clay bricks. Fly ash used as raw material replacing of clay to make fired bricks is an effective measure of saving land and decreasing pollution. As well as fly ash is high quality than burnt clay bricks. So we think choose fly ash bricks better for every kind of constructions. Here are the references we used, and so we think that you had a better idea about the needs of a substitute for burnt clay bricks. Thank you.